Hello, this video is designed for teachers who are looking to create an Edpuzzle video. So as you can see, I'm logged in here, and as you navigate here, certainly you would be able to click on my content. That's where some of your videos would be, and we'll get there in a second. But the easiest place is to just add content, so you click on that. And there are a couple of options. So you can upload a video. So if you happen to have made yours, or you can use a video, so long as, and what's nice is Edpuzzle down here at the bottom adds this in for you. Just make sure that you respect the copyright policy. So you can certainly use somebody else's video as long as you give them credit for it. And you could drag that video here. Or again, some teachers, myself included, like to make our own videos. And so either way, you end up uploading your video. Or you can actually record a video right from Edpuzzle. You just have to add this extension, and then you can create a video just like you would with any other video making devices that you have, any video making software that you have. But let's go to my content. I have a video here already. So the first step is you got to upload your content. Now that your video has been uploaded, you can click on that, and I'm going to cut the volume of my video just so that you can hear me talking as I go through. But my video, I could then start to play, and I can watch it and see what I would want with it. But I can then also choose to edit my video, and this is really where the Edpuzzle effect comes into play here. So if we skip ahead a little bit, this was a review video that I had made for my students. If I skip ahead, you can see that I'm starting to work through a problem here. One way to use Edpuzzle is, as this next question comes up that I'm about to offer for my students right here, number 2, what I can do is I can pause the video. So you can see I'm about to write it down here. And so here comes number 2. And I write the question down, and then I'm going to move my hand. And what I can do is I can pause the video here, and this is the beauty of Edpuzzle. I can edit, and I can, so that was at the 5:30 mark of my video. And I could pause it, and now I can add a question in here. I can do a multiple choice question where I could maybe give my students the answer and ask them what would that end up being. Open-ended question, and I could just ask them to actually work through it. Or I can add a note and just add some commentary to the actual video. And so this is what Edpuzzle allows you to do, is you can edit your video with embedded questions, and it's more of a hands-on engagement tool rather than just watching a video. This would be a great use in a flipped classroom. Obviously, make a much shorter video than the one I have here that was 38 minutes. Make a much shorter video with embedded questions and times for them to look at some notes that you have to highlight some points. And then they can add to their own notes a more detailed version of video learning, and then that would work well with a flipped classroom design, as well in other aspects of learning as well. So I hope this just gives a little bit of an idea of how you can actually use Edpuzzle with a video that you've already created, how to add to it.